Hello, thanks for stopping by to check out this video in which I'm going to explain how to run your network marketing business on YouTube. So how to utilize YouTube for your network marketing business. So first, what you need to do is you need to create a YouTube account. So if you have a Google account, it's very easy to create your YouTube account. You just open it, linked in these two accounts, and voila, you have your YouTube account. And right away, you can start uploading your videos. But before you start uploading your videos, you should really think about and create a strategy how you're gonna grow your YouTube channel. So first, you want to decide whether this YouTube channel that you have will be focused on products or services, or it's gonna be geared more toward business, what type of business, and then once you decide that, then you will start posting your videos, and you need to make a commitment to continuously post videos. Now, YouTube is a little bit different than any other social media platform because YouTube is more like a library of videos, more like a search engine comparing to other social media like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok and such, because they more rely on feeds. And for these other social media platforms, as long as you always need to create new videos, new posts for people to see it. So if you posted something a week ago or a month ago, most likely almost nobody will see that content anymore on these social media platforms. On the other hand, on YouTube, when you create a video, one after another, you develop a library of videos, and these videos will be searched, YouTubed, and found by other people this week, next month, next year, and for many years to come. So, for example, in my case, I have some videos. I started YouTubing in 2011, and I have some videos that are still performing really well, like from 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 years ago that I created. And that's never possible in these other platforms that like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok and such. So YouTube works differently. So what I'm suggesting is if you're planning to have your network marketing business a long term, and if you're planning to have it a long-term residual income with the company that you're working with, then you should consider creating a YouTube account and start creating your YouTube video library. And if you're like me, then most likely your first videos will not be good, will be probably bad, and that is okay because that's how you learn. When I started, I was not good, and I'm still not that good, but I am better than I was yesterday, and I'm better than I was last year, and I'm better than I was 10 years ago. So we keep improving, we keep working, and we become better and better, and we start earning and attracting other people based on how good we are and how much we can help other people. So, for example, in this case, I consider myself pretty much a YouTube expert for network marketing and for my company because I've created over 600 videos only on my YouTube channel, and lately I became quite consistent with that. And the more consistent I am, the more videos I post, the better I become, and the same is valid for you and can be for you as well. So if you want to grow your business on YouTube, and my suggestion is that you should, so pick a niche, pick a segment, or pick a niche, pick a corner, and make a decision whether you're going to be focusing on providing information about products, providing information about service, or providing information and videos about the business. And the more videos you have, the bigger library you have, YouTube will be rewarding you and will start showing these videos that are relevant to people who are looking for these videos, who are searching for these videos, and also will be shown to those who are related to other videos, so your videos can be discovered and seen, and you will build your followings and you will build your tribe. So basically your vibe will attract your tribe, and there will be many people, almost no matter who you are and no matter what kind of charisma and character you have, you will attract people who will like you, who will follow you, and who will have interest in what you have to say, even if you're bad, as long as you're creating these videos. Make sense? Of course it does. So start doing it. The sooner the better. Make a commitment, make a simple plan, and then start learning and start researching. Watch some videos from other YouTubers. We'll search for videos related to your content, and every so often review some of these videos, watch some other videos, take a look how these other people are doing these videos, and then watch some of my videos as well, and you can learn so that you create a video that contains a hook, a content, and then call to action or instruction, so that you provide and let your audience know what to do during the video or at the end of the video once you provide some value. So I believe when you provide some value, then you deserve and you earn a right to ask your audience to do something. You can do it at the beginning as well, because some people will just watch the beginning and will stop later. And if you don't ask them at the beginning, then you're not going to have a chance later. So see, this is how we learn. And having said that, so I believe that I provided some value for you as well. So if you're in network marketing, that's wonderful. But if you're considering to start your network marketing if you're considering to start working with a network marketing company, but you haven't found one, then you may maybe consider and reach out to me so that you start working with me and my company. And if you already have a company, that's wonderful. Good for you. I wish you all the best. And but if you don't, then you may consider working with me, because in that case, I could also help you set up your YouTube channel, pick a niche, and I can also help you and train you so that you grow your business using YouTube and building your network marketing business as well. So if this sounds something that makes sense, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to provide a link to my website that will explain more what I do, and that will explain a little bit more about my company. Now, again, if you do have a company and if you're happy with your company, that's perfectly fine. I'm not recruiting you, just to be clear. However, if you are interested, or if you're looking for a company, then check out this link that I'm going to post below my video. Check out my website, check out what I do, check out the company that I work with that I'm going to explain, and then schedule a free 30-minute consultation with me, and then we can talk about details, how you can start your business with me and with my network marketing company. So thanks for stopping by to check out this video. Wish you all the best, and see you as a future YouTube network marketer. Thank you, and bye-bye.